Hello and welcome everyone to Tech Treatment. Today I'm going to be unboxing my DJI Spark. This is an entry-level drone and I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and a little overview. We have the drone in this nice foam box. It's also the carrying case for this drone as well. I'm going to set the drone aside and let's see what accessories are included. We have a micro USB cable, a DJI wall adapter, and also an extra set of propellers. And in the other black box we got some manuals and booklets. So now that that's out of the way, let's get started with the DJI Spark. The Spark itself has two connections under this little tab. There's a micro USB and also a micro SD card slot. Overall, the build quality of this drone is pretty great. It's very small as well, so it's portable. On my phone, I'm going to download the DJI Go app. There's two of them. I'm going to be downloading the DJI Go 4. Now that the app is installed, I'm going to connect the drone to my phone. So first I tried setting up the Spark with the QR code, but I tried for 10 minutes and I was unsuccessful with it. I tried it off the box, I tried it off the drone, but for some reason my iPhone X wasn't picking up the QR code. It just keeps saying QR code scan failed. So I'm going to go through the manual settings. I'm going to connect it through the Wi-Fi and get it started. I've had the DJI Phantom 3 and the Phantom 4 as well, but this Spark goes into a total different category. It's portable, it's highly advanced, it has hand gestures and everything. I've crashed this drone already twice during this little overview, but I gotta say that the hand gestures and all the hand movements, it's pretty fun. And overall, the video quality and picture quality isn't bad. It's not on par as the Phantom 4, but if you want to be doing any home videos or any budget videos, or if you want to have this as a second drone, it's a pretty great option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of my DJI Spark drone. I'm going to be having more videos on this drone pretty soon, so please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.